Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your old Brawl Stars account back. First, make sure you are logged into the correct App Store account on your device. Then, verify that you have a stable internet connection, perhaps testing it by loading another application. Sometimes, simply restarting your game or device can refresh your connection and load the correct account automatically. It is a quick and easy first check. If you previously linked your account to a Supercell ID, this is your primary method for recovery. Open Brawl Stars, go to Settings, and tap the Connect or Login button located at the top right corner. Enter the email address associated with your Supercell ID, and a 6-digit verification code will be sent to that inbox. Input this code into the game, and your account should instantly load. This process takes only a few moments. If you cannot remember your Supercell ID email, or if the recovery process does not work, you will need to contact Supercell support directly. To do this, create a new, temporary Brawl Stars account or use an existing one that is not your primary lost account. Head into the game settings, find the Help and Support section, and then tap Contact Us. Explain your situation clearly, indicating that you need help recovering an old account. When you contact support, they will ask for several key pieces of information to verify your ownership. Be prepared to provide your lost account's exact in-game name and its approximate experience level. Share the approximate date you started playing Brawl Stars, along with any devices you previously used. If you ever made in-app purchases, listing the exact purchase dates and amounts, for example, $5 for gems, will significantly help the recovery process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.